Blood circulatory system. Blood circulation is the flow of blood from the heart to the body organs and back to the heart. Blood is a very important liquid in the life of animals. Blood transports fluids for the body. Blood flows from the heart to all parts of the body, and then back to the heart. Blood flows through the blood vessels. The organs that are involved in the circulation make up the circulatory system. When circulating around the body, blood carries with it various substances required in different body parts. Blood also removes waste products from different parts of the body to the organs that remove these products safely. Parts of the circulatory system. The blood circulatory system in human beings and animals is composed of the heart, blood, blood vessels, the lungs, blood, blood is a body fluid. Blood transports fluids and other materials to all parts of the body. Blood has four main components. Plasma. Plasma is the main part of blood. It is the liquid part which is mostly water. Digested food materials, salts and other dissolved substances are found within the plasma. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are smaller than white blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from lungs to the body organs. Red blood cells contain a red coloring matter called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin gives blood its red color. Hemoglobin combines quickly with oxygen to form a chemical substance known as oxyhemoglobin. Blood that contains a lot of hemoglobin is called oxygenated blood, which is scarlet or bright red in color. When oxygenated blood passes through the body organs, it gives out the oxygen and gets carbon dioxide. Blood that has lost oxygen to the body organs is called deoxygenated blood and is dull red in color. White blood cells. White blood cells are larger than red blood cells. They are fewer in number compared to red blood cells. White blood cells help to fight and kill disease-causing germs. Platelets. Platelets are blood cells that help the blood to clot when we are injured. Clotting prevents further loss of blood from the wound. Structure and functions of the heart. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body. All human beings have a heart which is located in the chest. The heart is made up of 4 chambers. 2 chambers are on the upper side and are called auricles. There is the right auricle and left auricle. 2 other chambers are on the lower side and are called ventricles. There is the right ventricle and the left ventricle. The heart chambers have valves. Valves prevent blood from flowing backwards. Auricles have thin walls while ventricles have thick walls. Ventricles are therefore more muscular than the auricles because they have thick walls. Auricles collect blood coming from the body organs flowing through the major veins. Auricles then empty the blood into the ventricles. The thick muscles of the right and left ventricles pump the blood to the body parts. The wall of the left ventricle is thicker than the wall of the right ventricle. This is because the left ventricle pumps the blood to all the body organs. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs only. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are tubes through which blood flows. They transport blood to all parts of the body and back to the heart. There are 3 main blood vessels. These are arteries, veins, capillaries. In the circulatory system, large blood vessels called arteries leave the heart. The arteries then branch into smaller arteries and finally into smaller blood vessels called capillaries. During the return journey to the heart, the blood flows through the veins. Arteries. Arteries are the large vessels and carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. They have thick walls and are narrower than veins. Arteries have no valves since they carry blood that is under high pressure. The main artery is aorta. All arteries carry blood rich in oxygen, oxygenated blood, except the pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Movement of blood in an artery is in waves. The waves can be felt as a pulse as the heart pumps the blood to the body organs. The number of waves that can be felt in a minute is called the pulse rate. The pulse can be felt on the inside of the wrist. Running makes the heart to beat faster. This increases the number of heartbeats per minute. The body tissues need more supply of oxygen when one is running. The heart beats faster so as to increase the rate of blood supply. A pulse is also called a heartbeat. The average number of heartbeats of a normal person at rest is about 70 to 75 beats per minute. The number of heartbeats increases during an activity or when someone is sick. The reason why doctors check the heartbeat of a patient is because heartbeat increases when a person is sick. Veins. Veins carry blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Vena cava is the main vein. Veins have thinner walls than the arteries, but they are wider. Veins have valves which prevent the blood from flowing backwards. Blood in the veins is at a low pressure. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Capillaries. Capillaries are small blood vessels. They cover a wide surface of the body. Capillaries help to take blood to all parts of the body. Circulation of blood in the heart. Deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body flows into the right auricle of the heart through the vena cava. This blood then passes from the right auricle into the right ventricle through a valve. The muscular right ventricle then pumps this blood into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, oxygen is added to the blood and carbon dioxide is removed. The carbon dioxide is then breathed out. The oxygenated blood flows to the left auricle of the heart through the pulmonary vein. The left auricle then pumps the oxygenated blood down into the left ventricle through a valve. The muscular left ventricle then pumps the blood to all parts of the body through the aorta. Once the blood circulates to all parts of the body, it flows back to the heart and then the cycle begins once more. Thank you for watching this lesson. We hope you now understand the circulatory system and the various parts that make up the blood circulatory system. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.